Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where real insights meet real products. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best white noise sound machine nursery for 2025, the Soother Sleep Sound Machine Night Light by ColourNoise. If you're a new parent, light sleeper, or someone constantly battling ambient noise, this compact powerhouse may just be your new bedtime companion. Let's start with first impressions. The ColourNoise Soother machine comes in sleek color variants, like the R Black and R Wood grain, designed to blend effortlessly into any bedroom, nursery, or travel setup. It's compact, lightweight, and includes both a USB cable and a power adapter right out of the box. So you're ready to go wherever you are. But let's talk about the real magic, the sound experience. This isn't your average white noise machine. The Soother boasts 30 non-looping sleep sounds. You get 3 types of white noise, brown, white, and pink, that each target different sound frequencies. Whether you want a low rumble to block out deep street noise or a high hiss to cut through sharp, sudden sounds, there's an option for you. If you prefer something more natural, you'll be spoiled with 18 immersive ambient sounds. We're talking ocean waves, heavy rain, trickling brooks, the crackling of a fireplace, chirping birds, and even water drops. And if you've got a baby in the house, you'll appreciate the 7 soothing music options like heartbeat rhythms, lullaby-style piano, and even gentle hushing. Every sound is engineered to fade into the background, calming your nervous system and making it easier to relax, meditate, or drift into a deep, uninterrupted sleep. Now here's where this device takes things even further. It's not just a sound machine, it's also a night light. The Soother features 12 color options and 10 adjustable brightness levels. You can set it to a dim amber glow for baby feeding sessions or a soft lavender hue to wind down in your room. One button control makes it incredibly easy to operate in the dark, and the buttons are generously sized for quick access, perfect for sleepy hands fumbling at 2 a.m. Timing and memory features are often overlooked in devices like this, but ColourNoise gets it right. You can set a timer for 1 to 4 hours, or just let it play continuously. Better yet, the sound fades gradually when the timer ends, so there's no abrupt stop that might jolt you awake. And here's something parents, travelers, and remote workers will appreciate: its portability. This device is small enough to pack in your bag and light enough to carry anywhere, from your nursery to your office desk, hotel room, or camping tent. For anyone seeking better sleep, relaxation, or simply a consistent environment for focus or baby care, the ColourNoise Soother Sleep Sound Machine is a no-brainer. It's more than just a white noise machine. It's a sensory experience designed with real people and real needs in mind. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that improve your life. Sleep better, focus deeper, and feel more at ease, all starting with the right sound. See you in the next one.